Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. I'm Abdul Yunus representing Mastery.com. Today we are going to discuss another interesting topic with you, that is computer networking. Before starting our topic, I request my new viewers kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that they can get my new uploaded videos easily. Now moving towards the topic, computer networking. First of all, we will discuss what is a computer network. A computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information and resources. And then, next we will discuss what are its characteristics. Number 1. Share resources from one computer to another. Number 2. Create files and store them in one computer. Access those files from the other computers connected over the network. And the third characteristic of a computer network is connect a printer, scanner, or a fax machine to one computer within the network and let the other computers of the network use the machines available over the network. And then there is a list of hardwares that are required to set up a computer network. Number 1. Network cables. Number 2. Distributors. Number 3. Routers. Number 4. Internal network cards. And number 5. External network cards. And we will discuss them one by one. Number 1. Network cables. Network cables are used to connect computers. The most commonly used cable is category 5, cable RJ45, and then distributors. A computer can be connected to another one via serial port, but if we need to connect many computers to produce a network, this serial connection will not work. The solution is to use a central body to which other computers, printers, scanners can be connected, and then this body will manage or distribute network traffic. And the third, router. A router is a type of device which acts as a central point among computers and other devices that are a part of the network. It is equipped with holes called ports. Computers and other devices are connected to a router using network cables. Nowadays, router comes in a wireless mode using which computers can be connected without any physical cable. And then the fourth, network card. Network card is a necessary component of the computer without which a computer cannot be connected over a network. It is also known as network adapter or network interface card, that is NIC. Most branded computers have network card pre-installed. Network cards are of two types, internal and external network cards. First we will discuss internal network cards. Motherboard has a slot for internal network card where it is to be inserted. Internal network cards are of two types, in which the first type uses peripheral component interconnect connection, that is PCI, while the second type uses industry standard architecture, that is ISA. Network cables are required to provide network access. And then second one is external network cards. External network cards are of two types, wireless and USB based. First, wireless network card. Wireless network card needs to be inserted into the motherboard. However, no network cable is required to connect to the network. And then USB, Universal Serial Bus. USB card is easy to use and connects via USB port. Computers automatically detect USB card and can install the drivers required to support the USB network card automatically. And you can also see the pics that is placed on your screen so that you can develop a better understanding that how these network hardwares look like. So friends, this is our topic, that is computer networking. I hope you will understand it. If you have any query or you want to give us any suggestion, then kindly comment us below. Inshallah, we will meet you in the next lecture with a new topic. That's for all. Khuda Hafiz.